In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Proton VPN on your Windows computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install Proton VPN program on your computer, just go ahead and open any browser. Then just search by name Proton VPN like this. And this will take you to the official Proton VPN website. I'll go ahead and click on it. And here you have two ways to download and install this program on your computer. First, you can proceed and sign in or create an account. Or second, you can just go ahead and click on download here, choose your operating system to download it. So for my case, I'll go ahead and first sign in. Because I already have an account, I'll just proceed. Go ahead and create an account if you don't have. And if you already have an account, go ahead and enter your email and then password. Perform the verification and then click on next to log in. Now, once you are logged in, you need to go ahead and look for download option. If you have followed this route, go ahead and click on it. Choose your Windows. So for my case, I'll choose the file for Windows 10/11. Then click on it. And here the download will begin automatically. Once the download is done, go ahead and click on the folder. And this will direct you to the folder containing this Proton VPN installer. Mine is under downloads. To install it, just double click on it. Then choose yes. This will go ahead and launch the setup installer. Go ahead and click on OK. Then go ahead and click on next. Now here we have other accompanying apps. Go ahead and choose the ones that you wish. If you don't want them, you can just go ahead and uncheck them. It's good to check this to have a desktop shortcut. And then I'll click on install. And this will go ahead and begin the installation. Now this is a light file and therefore it will not take much time. And within seconds, it should be done. Now, once it is done, you should see a desktop icon on your desktop, Proton VPN here, ready for launch and use. Proceed and double click on it to open the VPN. Then here, go ahead and log in with your email and password if you had already created an account on the official website. However, if you did not create an account, now this is the time you need to create an account by clicking on create account here. So I'll enter my email and password and then continue by signing in. Now, once you are signed in, go ahead and click on get started. And here you can start using this VPN by just clicking on connect. So that's how you can install and set up your Proton VPN account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.